Hello guys, welcome to DESI ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial, we are going to learn that how to detect edges in images using a PIL library in Python. So PIL is also called PIL library or Python imaging library. So let's do it. Okay, so first import library. So from PIL import image and also image filter. Also import image filter. So I will get image filter. Now I will read and open the image. So read and open the image. So image is my variable and I will type as image dot open and I will give my file name dot extension. Okay, so in my case I have a JPG image in my directory. So tajmahal.jpg. Okay, so here I will type image, then I will run it. So here is my image. Okay, this is the one of iconic building in India, Taj Mahal. And now we have to detect images in this image. Okay, so for detecting images edges, type here variable edge image and pass your image dot filter and then pass argument in image filter dot find underscore edges. Now print your edge image and run it. Okay, so here you can see that this is your original image and this is image that contains only edges. Okay, so in this image you have detected that where the edge is present in that image. So this is the simple Python code to read. First of all we have read image and then in second step we have done coding to find edge in that image. So I hope you got the idea. Thank you.